Hey and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, we already know we got another hair review, and it is from, and I will not try to butcher the name, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna try to say the name. I just don't want to mess it up, but it's by that company that you guys saw in the front. And as you see, these are just the items that I'm showing you that came with that beautiful headband wig that we are going to be reviewing today. And that is the wig, y'all. Just look at it. Go ahead, take a look. Paper. Yes, girl. Yes. Serving natural hair blowout realness. Okay. And here I am, you guys. DaneeOnDaBeatTv. And I'm just running my fingers through this hair, y'all. Yes. Look at me. Yes, y'all. Yes. Go ahead, fix your little headband. Not your headband, but your little wig cap, and y'all please disregard the makeup on that wig cap. And y'all, I'm showing the bag that it came with because it actually came in this little drawstring bag, and y'all know how I feel about bags, you already know. But as I was saying with the wig cap, y'all just disregard the makeup that's on there. I have on another wig, so we reuse wig caps around here, y'all. That's just what we do, y'all. And this is a 22-inch headband wig. And y'all, I must say that she is really, really pretty. She's pretty, she's soft, she doesn't tangle, and she doesn't shed. You guys, y'all already know how I feel. If the wig is good, the review is quick. I will be leaving the description down below in the description box for this unit so that you guys can go ahead and get it. It is a Amazon special, so if you do have Prime, you already know you'll get her in 2 days. But again, this is going to be a quick review. I hope that you guys enjoy it and go pick up this wig, y'all. Also, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share my stuff, y'all. Don't be stingy. Share my stuff with your friends, your cousin, your mama, your daddy, your uncle, your cousin that's twice removed, your auntie that's twice removed. Just share my stuff with whoever, you guys. I truly appreciate you for watching my video. And I hope that you have a beautiful day or night. Wherever it is that you may be, I hope that you go and you be great today. All right, you guys. Bye.